Okay, now we are going to do the second equation. So we're going to change the main condition. Okay, so now our main condition will be the negative part of 2x plus 5. So the main condition will be 2x plus 5 less than 0. So now x is less than negative 5 over 2. Okay, so now our equation number 2, we can write as absolute value of negative 2 times x plus 5 minus x. Okay, and this is equals to 7. So now again we can write this in other form. So this equation will be absolute value of negative 2 times x, negative 5, and negative x, and all this equals to 7. Okay, and again we can simplify this, which is the absolute value of negative 3 times x minus 5 equals to 7. Okay, so now the equation number 2 should be split in two equations. Okay, so I need to solve this with a new condition. Okay, so my new condition and that new expression of absolute value should be negative 3x minus 5 bigger or equal than 0. Okay, so cleaning the variable here, we get minus 3x bigger or equal to positive 5, but this is x less or equal than negative 5 over 3. So remember that when we have a negative sign, okay, and we need to clean the variable, well, we should change the sense of the inequality sign. Okay, so that is my new condition. So now with my new condition I have the equation 2.1. The equation 2.1 is minus 3 times x minus 5 equals 7. Okay, so minus 3 times x equals 12, and finally x equals negative 4. Okay, but we have two conditions. Our main condition, remember, our main condition is now x less than negative 5 over 2. Okay, so x less than negative 5 over 2, and x should be less or equal to negative 5 over 3. Okay, so now we need to draw a line and understand if the equation makes sense, if the condition makes sense. So now we have minus 5 over 2, which is 2.5, okay, negative 2.5, and 5 over 3 is 0.6, okay, it is 0.6 negative. So okay, so we have this interval here to the left of negative 0.6, and to the left, but it is open, and to the left of negative 5.2. Okay, so this is negative 2.5, and my answer is negative 4. So negative 4 is by here, right? So here is negative 4, is to the left, or negative 5 over 2. So x belongs to the interval from minus infinity until minus 5 over 2. So x is a solution, x equals to negative 4 is a solution. So x equals to minus 4 is a solution. Okay, so our set solution number 3 is the set formed by negative 4. Excellent! We almost finished with this equation. Now we need to put the equation 2.2 with the condition when negative 3x minus 5 is less than 0. Okay, so now that is my last condition. Okay, so my new condition to get the last equation is negative 3 times x minus 5 is less than 0. Okay, that is my last condition. Okay, so now I need to take the opposite of negative 3x minus 5. Okay, so my new equation, the equation 2.2, will be the opposite of 3 times x, of negative 3 times x minus 5 equals to 7. Okay, so now we get minus 3 times x minus 5 equals to negative 7, and minus 3 times x equals to negative 2, and finally x equals to 2 over 3. Okay? So we have this new answer, and now we need to check the conditions of this equation, if this makes sense or not. Okay, so here cleaning the variable, again we have 3 times x negative, and it is less than 5 positive. So x is bigger than negative 5 over 3. And remember that we need to change the sense of the inequality sign here, okay, because we have a negative multiplying by the 3x. Okay, great. So now we need to check the conditions again. So we get the condition of this is that x should be bigger than negative 5 over 3, and the main condition of the equation number 2. The main condition was that x is less than negative 5 over 2. Okay, so x less than negative 5 over 2. Okay, so now we can draw a line and we get again, here is negative 2.5, which is 5 over 2, and here we have negative 0.6, okay, which is 5 over 3. Oh, sorry, 5 over 3 is 1.6, okay, it's 1.6. Okay, it's still to the right, okay, so we can also modify here. The value of this will be 1.5, but it's not doing anything with the equation, okay? Okay, so again, this is less than negative 2.5, okay? And it is an open interval, so we put this. And this is bigger than negative 5 over 3, okay? So we put these values all to the right of the negative 5 over 3. Okay, so we can see that the intersection between these intervals is the empty set. Okay, so again, so as the intersection between negative infinity until negative 2.5 intersection with negative 1.6 until infinity, well, is the empty set, okay, is the empty set. So x is not a solution, right? So x is not a solution. So on, we get that the solution set number 4 is also the empty set. Okay, now we don't have any more equations to solve. Okay, we already done. So now the final set solution, okay, so the final set solution should be the union between the set solution 1 with the set solution 2 with the set solution 3 with the set solution 4. Okay, so it is the union of we're going to Okay, set solution 1 is 2, set solution 2 is empty set, okay? So this is 2 with the empty set with set solution 3 was negative 4, okay? So it's negative 4. And set solution 4 is also the empty set. So we finally get that the set solution is negative 4 and 2. And that's all. That's the final solution of this exercise. So I hope you enjoyed. Follow me on YouTube or Instagram. I'm taking any recommendation or any question that you have. Send me a message or leave me a comment. Okay? And we see you on next class. Thank you and bye.